2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Motorhome is less a recreational vehicle than a grand tourer palace rendered on a truly extravagant scale. Conceived for the client who refuses to trade opulence for mobility, this six-axle colossus turns the timeless Phantom ethos into a rolling chateau, merging traditional coach-built craftsmanship with the brand's quiet revolution in electric power. Viewed head-on, the Phantom Motorhome commands immediate reverence. A monolithic front cap sweeps downward in an unbroken arc of hand-laid carbon composite, its deep black finish polished to a piano glass sheen. The signature Pantheon grille has been stretched taller and wider than on any road-going Rolls-Royce, milled from a single billet of stainless steel and backlit with subtle white LEDs. Slim, horizontal running lamps trace the lower bumper, while the Spirit of Ecstasy rises from a sculpted prow that evokes luxury yachts more than commercial coaches. Even against dealership spotlights, the design radiates a silent authority, an unmistakable signal that this is the most aristocratic motorhome ever imagined. Because every exterior panel flows without shut lines, the rear bodywork appears carved rather than assembled. A gentle taper guides the eye to an electronically deployed balcony rail that folds flush when in motion and extends when parked, revealing a private terrace flanked by illuminated R monograms. Vertical LED blades frame the tail and mimic the For's lighting motif, while a power-operated clamshell grants access to a generous luggage bay trimmed in lacquered walnut and cross-stitched leather straps. Even the auxiliary climate vents and generator inlets have been disguised beneath polished stainless louvers, ensuring that mechanical necessities never interrupt the sculpture's purity. Step through the 2.3-meter-tall coach door, and the Phantom name earns new relevance. The entry vestibule is lined in tufted silk carpeting, leading to a salon where two opposing chaise longues float on polished aluminum plinths. The entire ceiling becomes a starlight headliner, its fibre optics programmed to mirror the night sky above the owner's GPS location. A curved OLED wall, invisible when deactivated, doubles as cinema screen and gallery for bespoke digital artwork commissioned from the Rolls-Royce art program. Forward of the salon, a marble-topped galley hides induction cooktops and chilled crystal storage behind gloss ebony timbre doors, while a butler's pantry can be summoned at the touch of a button. Aft, a full-width master suite offers a king bed upholstered in vicuña wool, a cedar-lined dressing room, and a bathroom clad in backlit onyx, featuring a rainfall shower with atomized scent infusion. Every cabinet handle, hinge, and speaker grille is machined from solid sterling silver, and the air is perfumed by an atomizer blending Aoyid and English rose, an olfactory signature developed exclusively for this coach. Underneath the opulent living quarters lies Rolls-Royce's next-generation Spectre electric drivetrain, scaled for commercial duty. Twin synchronous motors, one on the forward tandem, one on the rearmost axle set, deliver a combined 800 horsepower and 1,200 Newton-meters of torque, propelling the 26-ton masterpiece to 60 miles per hour in an almost disorienting 8 seconds of silent surge. A 350 kilowatt-hour battery pack integrated into the double-deck floor yields an estimated 450 miles of real-world range, expandable by an onboard range, extending microturbine that operates inaudibly behind multiple acoustic chambers. Magic carpet air suspension scans the road ahead with LiDAR and adjusts damping in real time. So fine crystal barely trembles in its display case even as the coach glides over broken pavement. Building this level of craftsmanship is a bespoke endeavour, so pricing reflects both rarity and limitless personalisation. Rolls-Royce quietly suggests a base figure in the vicinity of £2.8 million before commissioning unique exterior paint formulas hand-woven silk wall panels or one-off art installations. Realistically, most patrons will see final invoices north of £4 million, firmly establishing the Phantom Motorhome as the world's most exclusive private land yacht. For those who view road travel not as transit, but as an occasion for grandeur, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Motorhome offers a peerless answer. It is a statement of serene excess, simultaneously a mobile penthouse, an engineering tour de force, and the ultimate expression of modern coach building under the Spirit of Ecstasy's watchful gaze.